Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. Today class is gonna be fun. This class we are just gonna learn about the crop tools. Crop tool is really easier, and if you are beginner, you may think you can do that. Actually, yes, really easy. But in here you're definitely unknown something. It might be. So that's really gonna support you, and that's really gonna help you. So what are you waiting for? Let's do that. Okay, so this is the crop tools options. So in your keyboard, if you press the shortcut C, you get this crop tools option. So first of all, how to crop tools work? So in here you see this is the work of crop tools. So you can easily fix it. When you select the crop tools option, you get this panel option in upper like this. If you click the ratio, so you can cut it as you want. So if you can adjust your images like this. So if you select this W and H resolution, so very first W, H and resolution, before I describe it, I'm going to tell you. So if you think you want to be crop your image as you like, as you want, which part you want to need it, so if it will totally totally as you do, it's dependable. So it's a customization like this. So if you like that, so if you can so if you see WH resolution, so if you select WH resolution, so you can cut it. You can cut it when you press the enter, just will be cut it, and Control Z for the before position. So now I'm going to describe one by one. So this is the WH resolution. So we have this ratio. So if you want to be perfect your ratio and you just want to cut it, just crop it. So how to do that? This is the, if you select the ratio option, so you will be cut these images. So if you crop these images like as your ratio as your main images. So this is really easy, and this is very much easier. Okay, so now you are thinking about this. If you want to post something on your Instagram or Facebook, it will be square shapes. So what you do, if here, so you have this is the option, so one by one square. So if you click this, so if you want to select this part option, so this will be selected your main ratio one by one, just a board for your Instagram. So that's really help you. So like this how, so you have these options of 1 by 1, so 4 by 5, and you also select it which will be your need. So in that how you can crop your any kind of images. So now I'm going to describe it one thing. Okay, so we are going to select WH resolution. So I'm going to fix it. So now in here, so if you see these images, you can see that in that this is our homes, all this buildings, skyline. So it's like down like this. But if you want to cut it and it's really crop it like perfect way. So how to do that? Photoshop have really cool options. So this is how you can crop it in perfect way. So in here you see this when you select the crop option. So if you see, this is the straight in the upper panels, you see this is the straight in here. So is to just select the straight line here, to take a line, just make a line like this, and boom, you see this, and your images is now perfectly and good proportion. So if you just capture any kind of these types of image, so you can make it is a perfectly and perfect proportion in easily in one click. So this is really easier. First just select this crop tools and just go to the straight and just take a line like this. So you just use the image will be like this, perfect. So this is thing, and this is the thing family. And we have another option. So we have, if you select this crop tools, so just select the crop tools, and in here you see this grid options. So rule of third. So if you're working on photography, you definitely know what is the rule of third. Just if you want to work like the rule of third, so you can select this. So you can see this, you can fix it and crop it just using the rule of third. And in here also, this is the options. So you can see this is the grid option. So if you see click it here, so you can see this grid and here, so you can cut it perfectly and using your gridding panel. So this is the thing, and this is really pretty much easier. And if you know, this is the diagonal mode, and this is the triangle mode. So if you every single mode is here, so what will be really easier for you, it's depend on you. I just definitely tell, just try it again and again, so you have to understand what's going on and what's inside. And now we have an option. So this is crop tools, and you see this is a perspective crop tools. So what is the perspective crop tools? So if you have any kind of books images you want to use this books page as your own need, I have the books like in here. and you see this the perspective crop tools. So I'm just going to select, just click in here and another click in that areas and that. So okay, we just selected the book page and this is the perspective crop tools. So this is just press this enter and you see you get this here page in books format. So this is it, family. I think this class is really easier and just give you something extraordinary knowledge. I know you might be known how to crops, but in here there's something unknown option, so you are not usable for you on it. So this is it, family. So and practice more and more and try every single single tool, so that really easier and just to give you make you great knowledge about the Photoshop. So we are done. Thank you so much for your valuable time and keep supported. And before I go, I just have to say you, if you have any kind of confusion, just comment down below. I will be glad to answer that, and I will be try to answer. And definitely, family, if you subscribe, I just record this video, so it's take a lot of time to make it and some editing, so it's a really long and lengthy process. You're just one click on subscribe, make me inspired, so make like the video like this. So if you want to learn something very informative and very information about software, so Expart give you this all kind of software information that's completely free. So what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button. Just take it time and just press the subscribe button. And thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Thank you, family.